If you have a tight neck, you can use a foam roller on the floor to loosen up your trapezius muscles. This type of mobility exercise is called myofascial release. The effects are similar to if you were to get a sports massage or deep tissue massage in the muscles. This type of training is used by experts and athletes alike to help keep muscles nice and loose and ready for training. The goal of this variation of foam rolling is to target the trapezius muscles in your neck and your upper back. Begin by laying the foam roller on the floor sideways and turn over to lay down and place your neck on the foam roller. Use your feet and your glutes to bring your hips up and put your body weight into your neck area against the foam roller. And then rock side to side to bring pressure alongside the trapezius muscle. Continue to go nice and slowly and stop over any catch points that you feel where the muscles are extremely tight. Rock slowly side to side for about 30 seconds to a minute before turning over and doing this on the other side. Again, lay with your neck against the foam roller and then push your hips slightly up off the floor and rock side to side to massage that trapezius on the other side and loosen up your neck.